Hi, today we concern with how to determine the quality of a sputum specimen. Prior to culturing a sputum specimen, a gram stain should be performed to evaluate the quality of the specimen. One of the most common criterion is currently used to determine if the specimen is contaminated with oral flora organism, which would make the specimen unsuitable for culture. If the pus cell less than 25 and epithelial cell greater than 10 low profile, then it will not be accepted for culturing the sputum specimen. An acceptable criteria: if pus cell greater than 25, epithelial cell less than 10 low profile, then the sputum specimen will be accepted for culturing. Here you can see sputum gram staining picture at low profile, that is 10x. Here you can see this is the epithelial cell, this one epithelial cell, epithelial cell, epithelial cell, epithelial cell. So here you can see the number of epithelial cell in this field less than 10, and here you can see this one is a small size, this one are pus cell. So the number of pus cell greater than 25, there are so many pus cell, this one, isn't it? And epithelial cells less than 10. So the sputum is ideal or suitable for culturing. So we have to observe minimum this type of 20 fields to say whether the sputum is ideal or suitable for culturing the specimen. This is also another field. Sputum is acceptable for culturing. So this is a good quality lower respiratory tract specimen. Continue to examine the slide under oil immersion. Under oil immersion, magnification for bacteria, yeast and polymorphonuclear white blood cells. It is also called pus cell, and proceed with culturing the specimen. So here you can see this is the oil immersion field. Here you can see this is the pus cell, this one is the pus cell, this is also the pus cell, and here you can see gram negative bacilli, this one too. Here you can see gram negative bacilli, and this is the epithelial cell at oil immersion field, and this is pus cell, this one is the gram negative bacilli, this one gram negative bacilli. I hope this clip will be helpful. Therefore,
subscribe the channel, push the bell icon and stay updated. Thank you.